Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing video of the TP-Link Archer AC1200 Archer C6. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at the product and what comes inside the box. As you can see, I have the box right here in front of me. Let's take a closer look. The TP-Link Archer AC1200 Archer C6 is a dual-band wireless router that offers fast and reliable internet connectivity. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, which makes it ideal for homes and offices with multiple devices. The Archer C6 supports advanced security protocols such as Wpa2 which helps to protect your network from unauthorized access. It also has a built-in firewall that helps to protect your network from external attacks. In terms of performance, the Archer C6 is capable of delivering speeds of up to 1200 Mbps, which is more than enough for most homes and small offices. The dual-band connectivity ensures that you get fast and reliable internet connectivity even when multiple devices are connected to the network. Let's start by opening the box. Inside, we have the TP-Link Archer AC1200 Archer C6 wireless router, an Ethernet cable, a power adapter, and a quick installation guide. Now, let's take a closer look at the router itself. The TP-Link Archer AC1200 Archer C6 is a dual-band router that offers fast and reliable internet connectivity. It has a sleek and modern design, which looks great in any home or office setting. On the back of the router, we have 4 LAN ports, one port, and a power button. The LAN and 1 ports allow you to connect multiple devices to the internet, while the power button is used to turn the router on and off. Setting up the Archer C6 is very easy. You can do it in just a few minutes by following the quick installation guide provided in the box. Once you've connected the router to your modem and turned it on, you can use the TP-Link Tether app to manage and monitor your network from your mobile device. Overall, the TP-Link Archer AC1200 Archer C6 is a great router that offers fast and reliable internet connectivity. It's easy to set up and use, and the TP-Link Tether app makes it easy to manage and monitor your network from anywhere. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me create even better videos for you in the future. Thank you.